Maths Part 2nd, Standard 10th, Unit number 1, Similarity, Practice Set 1.1 for Semi-English and English Medium. Let's see the practice set 1.1. Example number 1. Base of a triangle is a 9 and height is a 5. Base of another triangle is a 10 and height is a 6. Find the ratio of areas of this triangle. Here the first triangle is base is a 9 and height is a 5, and another triangle is base is 10 and height is a 6. Products of their bases and corresponding heights. Here the bases, put the value A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 is a 9 and H1 is the 5. B2 is the 10 and H2 is the 6. 5 to the 10 here. A1 upon A2 is equal to 5 and 3 to the 6 and 3 is the 9. Here the remaining part 3 into 1 upon 2 into 2. Therefore area of first triangle into area of second triangle is equal to 3 upon 2. Ratio of two triangles is 3:2. Therefore answer the ratio of the areas of the triangles is 3:4. Here the 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. The ratio of the areas of the triangle is 3:4. Example number 2. In the figure, BC segment BC is a perpendicular to AB and AD is a perpendicular to AB. Here BC is equal to 4, BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Solution. Here BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. This is the given. Triangle ABC and a triangle ABD have a same base. Same base is a AB. Triangle ABC and a triangle ABD have a same base. AB is the same base. We know that the area of triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. We know that areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights, corresponding heights. Area of triangles with equal bases, here the equal base is AB, are proportional to their corresponding heights. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB, the corresponding height is triangle ABC is height is a BC and a triangle ADB is a height is a AD. Putting the value in this, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 4 upon 8. 4 2s are 8. Therefore, here the 1 upon 2, the ratio of answer is the ratio of areas of to triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 as 2. Here the final answer. Example number 3. In the following figure, segment PS is a perpendicular to segment RQ and segment QT is a perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is a 6, PS is a 6 and PR is equal to 12, then find QT, find the value of QT. Solution. First write down the given terms. Here the given RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12. This is the given. We know that area of triangle, the area of triangle formula 1/2 into base into height. Area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. First find the area of triangle PQR and then find the value of QT. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Here the base triangle PQR is the base is a RQ and height is a, here the height is a PS, is equal to 1/2. 6 base is a 6 and height is a 6. Here 2 3s are 6 and 3 6s are 18. Here the area of triangle PQR is equal to 18 square unit. 18 square unit. Also, area of triangle PQR. Here the area of triangle. Also, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base is a triangle PQR, base is a PR and height is a QT. PR into height is a QT. Put the value in this formula. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 18 is equal to 1/2 into value of PR is 12 and find the value of QT. Therefore, here 2 6 are 12, 18 is equal to 6 into QT. Therefore, 6 is a multiplication here, it goes to the dividation 18/6 is equal to QT and 6 3s are 18, therefore the value of QT is equal to 3. The value of QT is 3. The answer is QT is equal to 3. Next example number 4. In the following figure, AP is a perpendicular to segment BC. Segment AD, line AD is a perpendicular parallel to B. Example number 4. See in the following figure, AP is a perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC. Then find the area of triangle ABC. ABC's area of triangle BCD. These two triangles observed in this figure, triangle ABC and a triangle BCD. In this figure, BC is the base of two triangle is the same. Solution: triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base BC. BC is a same base. The distance between parallel lines is a constant. Distance between parallel lines is constant. Parallel lines distance is a constant, therefore the height of triangle ABC and triangle BCD have equal heights. Therefore triangle ABC and triangle BCD have equal heights. We know that the area of triangle of equal bases and equal heights are equal. We know that areas of two triangles of equal bases and equal heights are equal. Here the height and base are two triangle are equal, therefore the area of two triangle is equal. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. Therefore BCD goes to left hand side. The area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1/1, and therefore the ratio of these triangles answer is area of triangle ABC, area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 as 1. Let's see example number 5. In the adjoining figure, PQ is a perpendicular to BC and AD is a perpendicular to BC. Then find the following ratios. First, area of triangle PQB and area of triangle PBC. In these two triangles, observe the first triangle PQB is the height is a PQ, and next triangle PBC height is the same. Solution. First solution, triangle PQB and triangle PBC have a same height. Same height is a PQ, and we know that area of triangle with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. We know that areas of triangles, area of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Write down area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equal to corresponding bases. Here the height is equal of two triangles PQ, and base of first triangle PQC, base is a QC. Triangle PQB, base is a BQ, and a triangle PBC, base is a BC. This is the ratio of area of triangle PQB and area of triangle PBC. Second example, here the triangle PBC and triangle ABC. Observe these two triangles in a figure. Triangle PBC and a triangle ABC. In these two triangles are base are equal. Base is a BC, have a same base, have same base. Same base is a BC, and we know that area of triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. We know that areas of triangle, area of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. their corresponding heights. Area of triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Therefore, ratio of to triangle area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Write down the height of triangle PBC is PQ. PQ is a height, and area of triangle ABC. ABC height is a AD. Third example, here the triangle ABC and a triangle ADC. ABC and a triangle ADC. Observe these two triangles in adjoining figure. Here the observer AD is perpendicular to this two triangle. Here the height is same. Height have a same and AD is a height. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle ADC have same height. Height is a AD, and we know that area of triangles with equal height, areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Proportional to their corresponding bases. Therefore, write down the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. In this triangle have height is the same. The ratio of proposition on base of first triangle ABC is a base is a BC, and a second triangle ADC, triangle ADC, base is a DC. See the fourth one ratio. Observe in this figure, triangle ADC and a triangle PQC. Observe in these two triangle, this triangle have not equal heights and not equal bases. So we know that ratio of area of two triangles. We know that ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases bases and corresponding heights. Corresponding heights. Here the not base or not height are equal or same. Therefore, write down area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. Write down the product of their bases and corresponding heights. The triangle ADC is a base is a DC and height is a ED. And triangle PQC base is a PQC, base is a QC and height is a PQ. In this type, solve the example.